So I hope that you can see, because we are facing east in the morning. So but yeah, here is a new construction going on. They are preparing to start to dig the hole for the underground garages, and they will build a new basically complex here with 4 buildings altogether. I think 221 luxury upscale and luxury apartments. Apparently the cost will be from 3,000 euros per square meter, and the location is by Celovski Dvori, so Celovska Courts and Aleja. One problem that I can see, as you can see just behind that, is the transformation station for this whole area, and as you can see the power lines end here at the power transformation station, and then all substation, this is station, substations are spread around, and yeah, new apartment building complex, so which means more people and a lot, and the railway all together. So this is one of, I think, 3 new major building project here in Shishka currently, and this is, I think, also the largest. And as you can see, they already started to dig the hole. The name is Kvartet, and I think it's a Slovakian company building in Slovenia. So yeah. So yeah, this is the better view, of the power station, transformation station. So as you can see, the lines go from there to here and then stop, and then we have the underground cables distributing to the substations and then to the homes. So our substation is basically in that corner, and in the background you have Celovski Dvori. You don't actually see Aleja because of the building here, and there will be the Kvartet, and Liza is pulling me to go. Yeah, and as you know already, they built this bike path here, destroyed our green area. Hopefully they will not destroy the green area even further because of this new construction.